Watch the video till the end, my friends. Let's go. Watch the video till the end. Shout out. Search because I was man search was before that land and we saw it.
Checking out the guappies.
Yeah, show my face soon.
Right now, what are we doing?
We are thrifting today, guys. I'm broke. YouTube doesn't pay. Guys, meet my brother. My brother just gave me 3 jackets of it. So I'm gonna be shooting with those jackets on YouTube and TikTok. Now I'm gonna look beautiful because of you.
Creative Scotty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and then share to your friends and family.
Netefela ga ke na dithaka tabogela ditetla di ranta ba le bantsi ba lekile ka nna yaka go le ba go thata go robala ka tala o sa ja masa o sena boroko nagana ga go be yo thata ya ka nna how you think I don't know but I know I've been taking it every man know you don't love me you like what I do what you do if you are in my shoes probably stand just to be in my shoes you don't know nothing about all my blues red or blue one which one would you choose either way I decide I can't lose took me 10 just to get at these rules all I said I'm too quick was cool.
Hey my face, this is your boy Creative Scotty. Today this is my first time in Kibeli trainer.
Go first, don't go first. Yeah? Oh, alright. Yeah, guys, but we are prohibited to shoot that one. But either way, just waiting for them to back and then we're gonna take it up from there. Wires. And please, don't forget to subscribe. Just don't forget to subscribe. We're still here at Mfulo. And yeah, just buying tickets. And then afterwards, Sergio's. This will be apparently Scott. It's going to be his first train what. But yeah, I think we done.
So guys, I'm gonna take it. 5 rand.
Yeah.
But we're traveling to Josie in 5 rand.
Yeah.
Spend a day with me, you see what's gonna happen. I hope nothing weird is gonna happen. But I'm with my balls. This is Black Cardi King. See the camera. Like to you, dog. What you doing? Dog?
Oh, no. Yeah.
Always, yeah.
Sure, but feel too.
Yeah. It's not 20 past, first one.
Oh, we're going to talk 20 past.
So spend a day with us.
Yeah.
Because I'm not alone. Spend a day with us.
Away.
Whoa. 5 rand to go to Josie, bruh.
5 rand.
Train. Like, dog, take yours.
Imagine, bro.
I think just so it. Nadi my hot man. They are so nutty, dog. You can stop the video, fade. Catch you on the next clip. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch the video till the end, my friends. Let's go. Hey, Bafethu. So they told us not to take videos inside the train. But you know, me, I'd do anything for you guys. I hope you subscribed.
You don't love me, you like what I do. What you do if you are in my shoes?
Hey, Baba. Hey, Baba. No, I'm on. This guy made me Kibela a train for the first time. So he's gonna buy me my intro 60 inches. Watch the video till the end. Shut up. Watch the video till the end. Siaka. I'm let's play timetable.
Let's tell you
But
if that's that tell you timetable. Yeah.
So which means so yeah. Oh man, yeah, funny is a good man. Come back and over. You're good man. Makasan. Sweet. Oh. One win, good man. How we Pagania? How we Kulum sometimes. What's the code now? All of my niggas is winning.
Drifting Yana. Samt.
Yeah. Don't forget my face today. I don't know what, but don't forget. Yo. Yo, people are sad. People are not here to this side. My brother. My brother. So search was because I was man search was before the land like that. And we saw it. Everybody.
So successfully gents stripped. So dropping up and see what we can find. And what's going on, and then we set it up from there. As you can see, this from the side. I think it's like from that side. Yeah, from that side.
Tax station there now.
I don't know. It's not. Yeah. Right.
Show man.
So you in tears our fates.
What is sweater? Sweater. Hold on.
Hey boy. cover LS. Not even there. LS TV K Sport.
Yeah.
This one is for my brother. It's for my brother, this one.
No. Green.
So I got it on sweet.
Must look cool. Checking out the Kwapizi.
Yeah, show my face soon.
Right now, what are we doing?
We are thrifting today, guys. I'm broke. YouTube doesn't pay. So yeah, YouTube doesn't pay, guys. They're lying. So I'm here to top something. Yeah.
Something.
Here's my outfit. It's my plastic now. Chop that up. Onka take nothing kill a tree. I'm not taking that tree for me. You mix it. You don't try it like that. I don't try it like that. Guys, meet my brother. My brother just gave me 3 jackets of it. So I'm gonna be shooting with those jackets on YouTube and TikTok. Now I'm gonna look beautiful because of you. But I can't wait for Thanks, guys. Let's go and operate. You don't want to tell us that, right? I want to pay us over there. You know what I'm
Hi, what's on recording, please? Creative Scotty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and then share to your friends and family.
Like me and Fundi, like yo. So guys, you heard, man. This is the first time I hear someone say subscribe like that. The English here called. This was one in Alaska. Also shoot me. Which one is better? Between Crunch Master Dunked and Crunch Master Spice. It's on Kerala. And if I the spice, that's a spice. What do you know I'm saying?
Yeah, yourself. It comes twice in a week. Once in a month. And then no again.
So meantime, please tell them to subscribe for the hot man. Go back to English, but I don't understand them. Just, yeah, please tell them to subscribe. But subscribe.
Can you subscribe?